Here are 5 delicious dessert recipes that are sure to please everyone. Classic chocolate chip cookies. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 3/4 cup packed brown sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 large eggs. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. 2. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large bowl, beat butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract until creamy. 2. Add eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. 3. Combine flour, baking soda, and salt in a separate bowl. Gradually add to butter mixture. 3. Stir in chocolate chips. 4. Drop dough by rounded tablespoonfuls onto ungreased baking sheets. 5. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes or until golden brown. 5. Let cool on baking sheets for 2 minutes before transferring to wire racks to cool completely. Homemade apple pie. 1. Ingredients. 1 recipe pastry for a 9-inch double crust pie. 6 cups thinly sliced apples. 3/4 cup white sugar. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 2 tablespoons butter. 2. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix sugar, flour, cinnamon, and nutmeg. 2. Sprinkle over apples in a large bowl. 2. Toss until apples are evenly coated. 3. Line pie dish with 1 pie crust. 3. Fill with apple mixture, and dot with butter. 3. Cover with second crust, and cut slits in the top. 4. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes, or until crust is golden brown and apples are tender. 4. Let cool before serving. Fudgy brownies. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup unsalted butter. 2 1/4 cups white sugar. 4 large eggs. 1 1/4 cups unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. 2. In a large saucepan, melt the butter. 2. Remove from heat, and stir in sugar, eggs, and vanilla. 2. Beat in cocoa, salt, baking powder, and flour. 2. Spread batter into prepared pan. 3. Bake in preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. 3. Do not overcook. 3. Let cool in pan before cutting into squares. Berry parfait. 1. Ingredients. 2 cups Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 2 cups mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1/2 cup granola. 2. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mix Greek yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract until well combined. 2. Layer parfait glasses or bowls with alternating layers of yogurt mixture, berries, and granola. 3. Repeat layers until glasses are filled, ending with a layer of berries on top. 4. Serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to serve. Banana bread. 1. Ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter. 3/4 cup brown sugar. 2 large eggs, beaten. 2 1/3 cups mashed overripe bananas. 2. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. 2. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. 3. In a separate bowl, cream together butter and brown sugar. 3. Stir in eggs and mashed bananas until well blended. 4. Stir banana mixture into flour mixture until just moistened. 4. Pour batter into prepared loaf pan. 5. Bake in preheated oven for 60 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into center of the loaf comes out clean. 5. Let bread cool in pan for 10 minutes, then turn out onto a wire rack.